Hello, and this is part 3. Part 3 of our Scratch tutorial of 3D. And so far, what we've done is this. It's not very good for a 3D, but it is kind of 3D-ish. Yeah, so see if you see the walls are kind of low, so I'm just going to make them a lot higher. Yeah, there we go. So, if you see, I've made the walls and some furniture inside, but what we have to do is now, instead of making the furniture 3D, which I'm not sure how to do, we're going to let you enter the rooms. So inside the room, it's like not going to be 3D, but like just so here what we want to do is we're just going to make the mouse pointer. So, and then when we clicked forever, we want this. No, actually, we're going to have it really big. So, okay, so if you click one of the furniture in the room, so forever, so we have to make all the furniture different colors. Or maybe the darkest here. Yeah, so now we're just gonna make the backdrops change. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So just make the grass in the back. That's not really grass, but whatever. So forever. So we're going to put a forever block, and then when green flag clicked, forever if mouse pointer if. So we're going to do this and then make this purple or something. So here, do that, and then here we wanted to do when green flag clicked forever, go to the mouse pointer, and then so here if this purple mouse, I guess, is touching the table, or so we need to do every furniture here, every piece of furniture. So let's change the color of the TV to silver, dark silver. Okay, and here. Okay, no, that's not good. No. Light silver. Oh, yeah, the silver. Okay, so let's see if you see all the furniture in every room is different color, except this, which I need to change. So I'll do that. Okay, now it is probably. Hopefully. Yeah. So it might bug, but hopefully it doesn't. Oh yeah, also we don't want the refrigerator sticking out of the house. So do this. Yeah, so, there shouldn't be any silver there. So, let's block that. Moo-ha-ha. Okay, now if we run it, hopefully. Oh no, it's not good. Why? Yeah, there we go. So now if you see this purple dot, oh no, whatever. So, if you see now this purple dot at my mouse pointer is here, so that's good. So now if this color is touching that color or touching this color or oh wait, no, take that away. No, that color. So put another or here. And just green. So we're not gonna do the refrigerator. And oh no, this is getting a bit long. Mouse is down. So you need to do that for every room, but the other rooms won't be as long since this has the longest furniture. I mean the most furniture, yeah. Then broadcast. In living room. Okay, so here, when I receive in living room, so we're gonna make a new backdrop. Just make any random bedroom. Just make the floor. I'm not very fast at making this. Oh no. Okay, so here is the wall. Oh, what? Okay, there we go. Okay, now that's the wall and that's the floor. What? No, I need an orange floor, yeah. And there's a window here. Here. And then put something in there. And then the refrigerator. So when I'm done making this, we're going to let the person interact with the stuff inside the bedroom. So I also change grass. And this is bedroom. No. Living. Whoops. Living. Okay, oh no. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so now I'm done creating the bedroom. So now we're going to create the actual bedroom. Oops. So put that, draw the table sideways. Like, oh no, not there. Okay, so here, that's the table, I guess. And put that in, erase that. And then make the legs of the table. And then I'm probably speaking too low. Yeah. So, yeah, there you go. That's the table. And We want the table somewhere there on the floor. Yeah, and then so maybe there. No, that's not realistic. Yeah, so we're going to make the floor a bit higher. It's too low. Yeah, there. So put that there, and then when clicked, so we want to make it a bit smaller. So I'll set size to maybe 75%. So we're just gonna make the kitchen and finish this tutorial off since the time's getting a bit long. So go here. We want it to hide. And when I receive in the living room, show. And now we want the player, this guy. When I receive in living room, forever if, put 2 ifs. No, I mean 4. Yeah, and if key, right arrow pressed. I'm not gonna do a jump since no one jumps in their house, jumps in their living room and tries to smash stuff. Okay, so and back. Okay, so we need a broadcast for each one. Okay, so what is this? Right, okay. So it's move right, but we need these guys to move left since it's the opposite. And move up. This is actually making the size bigger, not the coming forward. Or maybe it is. No, it's not yet. Yeah, so where is it? Yeah, it's making the size. So move down. Okay, so this is the fun part. So we're just gonna make this table and finish it. It's taking a long time. So move up, then you have to make the size. Change size by 5. No, 3, yeah. When I receive. Oh yeah, also we want this one, and then we want it to hide. Yeah, so now when I receive down, move down, we want to change size by -3, and okay, when I receive move left, we want it to move right since it's moving like that. Yeah, so yeah, if this table goes here, we want the player to stop since we hit the wall. And so when I receive left, player touching wall, and if the player, so we want the player touching wall to 0, move left. So move 3 steps, move right, move negative 3 steps. So I'm just gonna test this out. Okay, why isn't this hiding? Maybe this will work. What? Okay, that's weird. Okay, what is happening? Mouse down. Why isn't it hiding? That's funny. Okay, so one last try. Oh my god. Anyways, when we go forward, it's not the most efficient way, but it's okay, I guess. So here we're moving this way, and there we're moving that way. And here we're moving forward to eat. Then you go backwards. Okay, so yeah, that's it for part 3 or 4. Yeah, part 3 for our Scratch tutorial on 3D. Yep, thanks for watching. Oops.